When I use the quantitative bull Forex Scalper MT5EA on the GBPUSD 5-minute time frame, it gives me a lot of positive results. I am doing in-depth optimization and deep analysis of this board. So in this video, I will present you all results and reports what I got. Without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. I'm your host Abdul and you are watching TradingBotLab. Let's move to my screen and here you can see the expert advisor is Quantitative Bull Forex Scalper with the GBPUSD on 5-minute time frame with a time of last 3 years with every tick based in all these settings you can check. I am testing it on the $1,000 deposit with a leverage of 500. A lot of brokers offering this leverage. The in-depth optimization process is already completed and let's move to the optimization results. Here you can see I got the highest recovery factor, which is 12, but with this testing the total number of trades are 22, which are not enough, and if I select the highest number of trades and move up, it opened the highest number of trades 1032, but it is in loss. So let's select the profit and check the highest profit. Oh great, it made $5,948 with a total number of trades are 485. The profit factor is 1.21, the drawdown is 21, and the recovery factor is 3.2. This is the highest profit, but if I move down a little bit, the profit factor with the 2.28 with the profit of 4,000 and total number of trades are 162, and this result have a drawdown of 19% with a recovery factor of 4. So let's do its single test, run single test. Here in the graph we can see how it is going up or down. The single test is completed and you see here when it make a profit it is a little profit, but when it hit a loss the stop loss is much higher than the take profit. And also here a drawdown and then start going up. In the backtest results here we will see it made $4,240 with a drawdown of 19, but here if you see the drawdown goes to 1,024, which is almost more than our initial deposit. So to control this we will simply go to the input setting and select the lot size 0.5, this lot size, and do testing again. And now let's see how the graph go up. The single test is completed with the 0.5 lot size and now it made a total net profit of 1,000, which is almost 105% growth with the drawdown of 12% and the drawdown in dollars are 256. If we calculate manually, this means the 25% drawdown with the growth of 105%, and it opened total number of trades are 162 and the win rate is 88.27%. You can pause the video here and read all these values. I will simply move down and check the profit and losses by months. Here the January and October was not a good month because right now if you see in the graph in the October it goes down. Here it hit a SL and then start going upward. Yes, this is the best set file, but we can analyze more deeply and compare multiple results to choose the best one. To do that I will simply go back to the optimization results and here again I will choose the best profit, the highest profit, and I will test a single test. You can note all the values of previous result in your Google Sheet and the result upcoming from this result, and you can simply compare all these results, what are the difference, and you can decide which one is better and which one is not. All these results and all these optimization files are available to download to our VIP members on the tradingbotlab.com website. You can join the VIP membership for free. Check the instruction on the website. Let's move back to my screen. The single test is completed and here you see how the graph is going up in the start and then a drawdown and the ranging, then a little bit up, then ranging area. It's a long ranging area and then it start growing up and again a ranging area going up and again a drawdown. And if we see the back test here you can see the profit and losses by month, and the September is in loss but all other months are closed in profit, not lot of big profits, but at least every month is closed with a profit other than the September. And above you can pause the video here and note all these values. With these settings, I got 485 total trades with a win rate of 64%. Now it is very important to compare these results and choose the best one as per your experience. Personally, for me, I'm going to select the best set file, which is here, the optimization results, and with the profit factor of at least 2. And I will use this set file for my personal trading account, and soon I will publish the live result of these settings on my website. You can check on the tradingbotlab.com under the live results page. I hope you note all these values and comparing the values side by side at your own side. And still it is a very good income, because if we are making 2, 3 or maybe 5% per month, it's a good ROI in long run, because I am testing it on last 3 years, which means 36 months. I hope you get a clear idea about these reports. You can download all these reports from the website. For now, that's it. See you soon in the next video. Goodbye.